That's my good-looking husband.
More considered.
Fish, scratch my head, huh? No, my underarm. No, my kili-kili. We're just having a rest. Oh, it's the mango man, I think. That's okay. Yeah, we're just having a rest here. See, that's the water over there, guys. And this is roti. The one it's burning skin because I'm busy all the time, all day, go to making my contents plus my holiday, of course.